What HVAC repairs are most common after 15 years? The most common repairs are replacing worn electrical parts, blower motors, capacitors, thermostats, refrigerant leaks, and damaged heat exchangers or coils. After about 15 years, an HVAC system has worked through thousands of heating and cooling cycles, so several parts may begin wearing out. Capacitors, which help the motors start and run, can weaken and cause clicking, humming, or repeated shutdowns. Blower motors may become noisy, run slowly, or stop moving enough air through the home. Electrical contactors and control boards can also fail, leaving the system unable to turn on or switch between heating and cooling. A thermostat might give incorrect readings, making rooms too hot or too cold even when the system seems to run normally. Refrigerant leaks can lower cooling performance, but adding refrigerant alone is not a permanent repair because the leak still needs to be found and sealed. In heating systems, a cracked heat exchanger is especially serious because it can allow dangerous combustion gases into the air, so the system should be turned off and inspected immediately. Dirty coils, clogged filters, and blocked drains are not always age-related, but neglect can force an older system to work harder and cause expensive damage. Before approving a repair, ask the technician to test the system, identify the failed part, and compare the repair cost with the efficiency and reliability of replacement. One common mistake is replacing parts without finding the original cause, such as installing a new capacitor while a dirty coil is still overworking the motor, so request a complete diagnosis. Another mistake is assuming every refrigerant problem only needs a refill, so ask for a leak test and a written repair recommendation. People also overlook safety warnings from unusual smells, carbon monoxide alarms, scorch marks, or a cracked heat exchanger, so shut the equipment off and call a qualified professional when those signs appear. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.